One of the sources of carbon monoxide in a home could be something like this ventless fireplace. When you're using something like this, you need to make sure that you pay particular attention to the maintenance. Look for any buildup of carbon or sooting of these logs, indicating that they're not properly spaced. Look at the flames to make sure they're burning clean and that no smoke is being produced from the ventless fireplace. Now, in today's homes, they're built a lot tighter than the older homes. There's very little air infiltration that comes in from the outside. That creates a problem when you're using something like a ventless gas stove because there's no makeup air. There's no air moving from the outside. As you begin to burn off the oxygen in a room, you can begin to cause the flames to burn inefficiently and create carbon monoxide.